Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching this video this morning or this afternoon or this night or whenever, I'm just here to wish you guys a merry Christmas from me to all your family out there. So this morning, this is the first time I'm ever going to do this video on my channel, and this video is going to be the Christmas morning special. So I'm going to give you guys, because if you guys know, I'm actually living on my own, like not with my parents, for the first time in my own place with my boyfriend. So you guys know this is like a new thing for me, for us, for both of us. So I wanted to do this video to share with you guys what we do, what's happening. But guys, my lip is feeling so dry. I don't know what's happening to my lip, so let me just get my lip moisturized with my lippy from my girl Shazzy. I think it's on Instagram, it's what, Shazzy Beauty Locks, or it's Beauty Lock Shazzy. Oh my god, girl, don't kill me. So let me just get my lip a bit moisturized, guys. This is the cherry one. This smells really nice. And just getting my lip moisturized. As you can see, very moisturized. Guys, this morning I felt like I wanted to be a blondie, so I went for the blonde wig. And I don't have a shirt. I tried to get a blouse that was probably Christmassy or something like that. I did not get anything, so I just went for this one. Say, don't let today be a waste of makeup. I don't want any makeup, but whatever. That's just a little code for you girls out there who keep on like wasting a makeup. Don't let any day at all be a waste of makeup. So guys, as I say, it's Christmas morning. I don't know what you guys are doing for Christmas morning, but we are trying to put down a feast. Not a lot, but put down a little feast for just the both of us. So guys, let me give you a little sneak peek of what's happening under a tree, and then I'm going to go out and give you guys a little highlight of what's happening for breakfast. Okay, so guys, this is the tree from the top. Okay, our tree does not have a star or angel at the top, so don't kill us for that detail. I know you guys saw the tree in the last video, but you guys did not see our gifts that were added to under the tree. So we have our gifts under the tree. Yes, our gifts under the tree, and it's just two of us. So yep, we did our best with getting our gifts here out and ready. So yes, that's guys, the tree that's under a tree, above a tree, whatever. That's our tree with our presents out and ready. So I'm gonna go out, guys, and look how the lip gloss have popped. Look at this bump. Where did it came from? I don't know. But look how the lip gloss have popped, guys. You gotta go support your girl. I'll make sure to link it down in the description box and in this video. We'll see it across the screen. So guys, let me go and show you guys what's happening for breakfast this morning. So Bailey was put in charge to get the fried dumplings all ready. As you guys can see, they're all ready to get in the belly. Callaloo with saltfish and noodles are all ready. Yes, done by me. When we get into the chocolate tea, guys, we aren't the old time people when they put one chocolate tea. We bought the ready-made chocolate tea, so that's what we're going to use, the ready-made chocolate tea. So let me find the chocolate tea and come back. So using the old time matches to light the stove. You know the thing already. Stove is light. The water is already in the pot, so I'm going to use the Lasco, bigger Lasco, with them Lasco instant chocolate mix with marshmallow in there. I'm just going to throw it out in the pot. Do I use all of this one time, babe? Huh? Yes. You can either throw it and then throw the water on it, or you can make it like this. Empty. So all it needs is just water. So I'm just gonna stir it up because we don't want anything else in there because all it needs is water. So just gonna stir it up. You see the marshmallow in there, guys? Baby, shall we wait till the water hot? Huh? Mm-hmm. Shall we wait till the water hot? Mm-hmm. The water never hot. It's still a gonna make. It's still a gonna make. Water never hot, guys. Water never hot, but it's still a gonna make. Leave it to boil until the pot start boil, the water start boil. And then I'm gonna do a little test on the dumpling to make sure the dumpling them ready. Cause babe say my chef, so hot dumpling, so doing the test. I'm ready, man. Ready. We got the chef on the dumpling them. Getting our 2 mugs ready. Ooh. To pour our chocolate tea in. Spoon to do any extra mixing. Mama bear plate. Papa bear plate. 2 minutes in. And the chocolate dissolve with the marshmallow. Marshmallow them last night. Now boil up, but it's hot right now. Dumpling from Mama Bear. Guys. I go work with 5 dumpling. 5. Something for him. Leftovers for any little body. Nobody now come out yard. I'm just kidding. Nobody. We're gonna eat all of them. Tea will boil up, but then I have to share the color loop first. So I'm going to do the color loop, then to the tea. And instead of turn on the stove, we're gonna switch the stove. That color loop is cold. Yes, so put it on the stove. Guys, you cannot be calling a Christmas morning without a Christmas morning cake on the side of your breakfast or whatever you're having. So this cake I've ready been rat out. A little rat sneak in the cake and started eating it. So just have a little piece cut off. Put on the breakfast. That for me. And this for me. I'm just kidding. You don't see for buying it. So breakfast with the Christmas cake. I don't like the cherry, so he got the cherry. Now I'm just gonna add the tea. Yeah. So Mama breakfast here. And Papa breakfast there. And we're about to have our nice breakfast and talk, laugh, whatever we do for fun, and then I'll come back to you guys probably when we're going to give each other our gifts and so forth. Guys, Christmas night without the tree plug in, don't need to plug in the tree. Mega plug in the tree. Mama plug in the tree and come back. Boom. Trees all plugged in. Yeah. Ready now. Ready. Apple juice cocktail. Yeah. this might be part in the video. All the presents unwrapping. Everything is empty except this gift that I did not open. Yes. Garbage over here. There's presents over here. And my stuff over here. And under the tree empty. So guys, that concludes 2019 first year doing Christmas morning special. That concludes it all. We open all our presents and I hope you guys like this video. From my family to yours, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.